Hello friends, Meenakshi Sinha is here from Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha. Uh, Special questions, that is Russian Olympiad questions. Semicircle is here. Here is a semicircle with the radius. AO is the diameter, AB is the diameter, O is the center of this semicircle. Inside this semicircle, we are having a square. Don't go to the figure. This is the square. The area of this square, let us suppose this area is a this point is touching with B. On the circumference, this is known as C. Let us suppose this point is E, this is F. Area of the square is equal to, that is, name is AOEF is equal to 5 cm square. This is given to us. Area of this portion. This is not A, it should be, I think it can be written as A, OEF, G. This is AOEG. Sorry. Area of GOEF is equal to 5 cm square. Okay, this is given to us. Area of GOEF is given to us 5 centimeter. To find the length of BC निकालनी है. ओके, क्वेश्चन क्या है? एक सेमी सर्कल है, इसके अंदर एक स्क्वायर है GOEF जिसका एरिया 5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. ये इसका डायमीटर का एक सिरा B, इसके H छूता हुआ निकल रहा है कोने को, सर्कमफ्रेंस पे C पे काटता है. इसकी लंबाई निकालनी है BC इन द फिगर. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये स्क्वायर ले लेते हैं. वी टेक द स्क्वायर. फिगर 1. दिस इज द स्क्वायर. वी आर हैविंग दिस स्क्वायर. दिस पॉइंट इज G, that is O, that is E, and that is F. Okay, if it is X, this side will be also X. Clear? बिल्कुल. It means x square is equal to, given to us, 5 cm sq. Area of the square is given to us 5 cm. It means x will be equal to root of 5. Okay, it means this side, this will be equal to root of 5. This will be also root of 5, as area is equal to 5 centimeter square. Okay, this we have considered as x. इसको हमने x माना था, तो साइड हो गई 5. Now, if we join this FO, it means FO, because O is the center point, so OF will be the radius of the circle. This can be obtained from this triangle. From triangle OFE. OFE. F E. OF square will be equal to FE square plus OE square. Because FE and OE are the sides of the square, both are of root 5, it means OF will be equal to 5 plus 5, that is 10. Square of OF is equal to 10, it means OF will be equal to root of 10. That is nothing but the radius of the square. ये radius हो गया, OF हो गया root of 10. This is the radius R, root of 10. Okay, clear? Root of 10. Because now what we are having, OF is equal to root of 10, that is radius, will be equal to OB. That will be also the root of 10. Clear? Because OF is equal to root of 10, OB भी root 10 हो जाएगी, because it is radius. बराबर, ये इसके बराबर. Okay. That is also root of 10. Now we can obtain EB because BC को निकालने के लिए टोटल बीच में ये पोर्शन निकल जाएगा, इसके अंदर ये वाला पोर्शन इन ट्राइंगल OBE. OE square as per Pythagoras, which is diagonal of this triangle, will be equal to square of OB, square of OE plus square of OB. OE square will be equal to BE square. This will be equal to OE square plus OB square. OE is this side. It means this OE root 5 square plus OB इस साइड के OB, this will root 10 square. It means BE square होगा 5 plus 10. It means that is BE square. It means BE will be equal to root of 15. BE is equal to root of 15. ये root of 15. Root of 15 हो गया. Okay? Is triangle. Okay. Now we have to find, in order to obtain total length BC is to be determined. BC is equal to what is the question? ये क्या है, यही हमें निकालना है. This can be written as EC plus EB, where EC is not known to us. EC is not known to us, plus EB is equal to BE, same root of 15. It means this is to be determined. EC निकालना है. Now question is only to find the value of CE या EC. Now in order to find the value of C, what we have to do? To find the value of EC. Let's suppose this is the circle in which is the diameter. Okay. This was the square, this was the center point, and this was the square. Okay. This was the point F. This was the point F. This was the point, Don't go on figure. I am trying to draw this figure as accurate as possible. This is the point C, this is E, this is B, this is O, and this is G. Okay, this is EO is equal to root of 15, root of 5. OB is equal to root of 10. That is root of 15 given to us. Now we have to find EC. This is to be determined is equal to what? Suppose Y. Y is to be 5. Now, if we extend this chord then what happened? At point C, we are having two chords intersecting to each other on point E. Let us name is P and Q. It means we are having two chords. CB and PQ intersecting at E. दो कॉर्ड हैं, दो जीवाएं हैं, CB और PQ एक दूसरे को E पे काट रही है. थ्योरी होती है जब कोई दो जीवाएं एक दूसरे को किसी वृत्त के अंदर किसी पॉइंट पे काटती हैं तो उनके जो टुकड़े होते हैं उनका गुणांक आपस में बराबर होता है. Thus, two chords when cut each other inside the circle, then at a cutting point, the segment of the individual product of the segment of individual chord are equal. It means this chord and this chord both are intersecting each other at point E. Then the segment of this chord PE into EQ will be equal to the segment CE into EB. This is the theory. So that we have to apply the theory of intersection of the chord. As per this, CE into EB, this will be equal to CE into EB is equal to PE into EQ. Okay? Now, PE into EQ. EQ is equal to what? EQ is EO plus OQ. EO is root 5 and OQ is nothing but equal to radius, that is root 10. It means EQ is equal to root 5 plus 10. Okay? EQ is equal to root 5 plus root 10. EQ root 5 into root 10 plus root 10. That is EQ. EQ root 5 plus root 10 because this distance is equal to this because this is radius. Okay. Now PE. PE is equal to what? PO minus root 5. PO is also radius, root 10 minus root 5. Root 10 minus root 5. क्लियर लिख देती हूँ. That is Okay. Now EB. EB is equal to what? EB. EB is equal to root of 15. And EC is to be found. CE is to be found. This is to be determined. Now CE can be written as root of 10 minus root of 5 into root of 5 plus root of 10 upon root of 15. Here is the a minus b into a plus b formula is applicable. यहाँ a minus b plus a root b का formula लग जाएगा. तो ये हो जाएगा 10 square root of 10 square minus root of 5 square, that is 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 upon root of 15 is the value of CE. This is the value of CE. CE is equal to 5 upon root of 15. We have to find the value of this CB. It means CB is equal to 5 upon root 15 plus 15. Hence, BC, this is equal to CE plus EB. 5 upon root 5, 15 plus EB is equal to root of 15. That is 15 into 15 is equal to total 15, root 15 into root 15 is equal to only 15 plus 5, that is 20 upon root of 15. This is BC length. This can also be written answer. This is the correct answer. In order to calculate more one और आगे accurate निकालने के लिए आंसर सही है बिल्कुल. इसको और करने के लिए ऊपर नीचे रूट ऑफ 15 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. मल्टीप्लाई upward and onward root of 15 upon root of 15, that will be only 15. Now that we can cancel 20 and 15 by 5. 4 upon 3 root of 15 will be the exact answer. 4 upon 3 root of 15, this is answer. This is the answer. Length of the BC answer is BC is equal to 4 by 3 into root of 15 centimeter. Okay, this was very good question. Keep in touch with me. ओलंपियाड क्वेश्चन है. दिस इज द ओलंपियाड क्वेश्चन. रशियन ओलंपियाड है. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है, आईक्यू को बढ़ाने वाला क्वेश्चन है, कंपटीशन के लिए अच्छा है, मैथ्स लवर के लिए अच्छा है, इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है. बस एंजॉय कीजिए. ओके, कीप इन टच विद मी. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब मी. सब्सक्राइब का तो लाइक बनता ही है, जरूर कीजिएगा. ओके फाइन, गुड नाइट.